We recently added 12 free ebooks and 8 free courses on SourceCAD for our subscribers. Now, these courses include AutoCAD Fusion 360, Revit, SolidWorks, and Civil 3D Essentials course. Also, it contains several other project-based courses, and it also has AutoCAD Practice Drawing, AutoCAD Commands, Fusion and SolidWorks tips, and several other ebooks. And I'm giving it all for free. No conditions, no gimmicks. So we recently made several changes to our website, and part of the change was adding new topics to our content library with the help of other authors. Now you might have noticed that we started featuring several other authors in our videos as well. So this trend is going to continue and will gradually cover more topics from civil engineering, architecture, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, CAD, CAM, CAE softwares, and quite a lot more. So if you want to be a part of this, let me know in the comment area which topic or the software you want to learn, and we'll make more content related to those topics. Now back to the free content and the announcement. I have added a link of free courses in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment, and you can check all the free courses available for you. You can sign up with just a free account to get access to all the free courses and ebooks, and there are no conditions attached. I also almost completely forgot to mention that you will get a certificate of completion when you finish these courses. This certificate is verifiable as well, which means anyone can add their certificate number that we provide with every single certificate in the certificate verification tool and check if it's genuine or not. And before you ask, yes, you can add these certificates on your CV or on your LinkedIn profile. So there you go. Sign up now to get access to all the free courses on SourceCAD, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.